Ever wondered how ChatGPT can transform the way you work, learn, and even make money? Stick around because in this guide, you'll see exactly how to master ChatGPT and unlock its full potential, whether you're a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur. Before we dive in, grab a notebook or open a document file. Write down the most important prompts, tools, and insights as they appear, because this is the required knowledge you'll need to stay competitive. First things first, setting up your ChatGPT account. You can do this on a laptop, desktop, or mobile device. On your laptop or desktop, open your browser, go to OpenAI, and click Sign Up. You can also use the desktop app if you prefer. On your mobile phone, open your mobile browser or download the official ChatGPT app from the App Store or Google Play. Both options give you full access, optimized for your device. Choose whichever device is easiest for you. Laptops are great for long sessions, and mobile works perfectly on the go. Once you're in, you can start chatting with the AI. We'll talk about customization and how to set it up in detail later in this video. Did you know ChatGPT has about 800 million users every week? That's nearly 1 in 10 people on Earth. People are using it for everything, asking questions, writing content, coding, learning new skills, you name it. Every month, ChatGPT gets around 5.7 billion visits and answers over 1 billion questions a day. The biggest user bases are in the US, with about 77 million users, and India, where students and professionals are adapting to it fast. Why is it so popular? ChatGPT is super versatile and works across education, business, healthcare, and creative projects. Its huge user base and constant updates keep it ahead of any competition. But here's the important part. If you don't learn to use it, you can fall behind. Others are finishing work faster, learning more efficiently, and staying ahead in school, jobs, or business, while you're stuck doing things the old way. In today's world, knowing how to use ChatGPT isn't just cool, it's becoming essential. Picture this. You're a student stuck on a math problem at 2 a.m. in the morning. Instead of stressing, you ask ChatGPT and boom, it explains everything step by step. Or imagine you're a student with a big research paper due tomorrow. Normally, you'd spend hours finding sources, outlining, and drafting. But you can try this. Open ChatGPT and type create a detailed outline for a 1500-word essay on climate change and its impact on oceans. Hit enter and ChatGPT generates a full outline with key points, subtopics, and examples, ready to start writing. Instead of spending 3 to 4 hours planning, you can jump straight into writing or focus on researching deeper points. It's like having a personal research assistant. Write this down. ChatGPT equals instant tutor, writer, and problem solver. ChatGPT is only as good as your prompts. A prompt is your instruction, and the better it is, the better the answer you will get. Let's see some scenarios in action. Here are some quick rules. Number 1, be specific. Instead of write about workouts, say write a 150-word Instagram caption about morning workouts for beginners. Number 2, add tone. Specify your style. Write a funny 2-sentence tip for coffee lovers. Number 3, give context. Tell ChatGPT who your audience is. Like, explain AI tools for our non-tech savvy teachers. 4, use roles. Ask it to act as an expert. Act like a fitness coach and create a 7-day beginner workout plan. Now, let's dive deeper into the scenarios. Scenario 1, social media post. Prompt, write a professional LinkedIn post about productivity tips for remote workers. Result, ChatGPT creates an engaging professional post targeting remote professionals. Scenario 2, email drafting. Prompt, act as a customer support manager. Write a polite email responding to a late delivery complaint. Result, ChatGPT generates a clear, empathetic, and professional response. Scenario 3, learning assistance. Prompt, explain photosynthesis to a 10-year-old using a story about a plant named Sunny. Result, ChatGPT produces an easy-to-understand, story-based explanation. Write this down. A good prompt equals clear goal plus context plus style. Now, personalization. Tell ChatGPT your style, goals, and work. It will adapt. Think of it as training your digital twin, an AI that understands exactly how you work. Here's how to do it step by step. Number 1, open ChatGPT. Number 2, start by giving context about yourself. For example, I am a freelance marketer. I write short, engaging ad copy for fitness and wellness brands. My goal is to create persuasive content quickly and land more clients. I prefer concise, upbeat, and professional language. Number 3, then ask ChatGPT to create content or suggestions tailored to you. For example, write a 50-word ad for a yoga app in my style. Number 4, you can fine tune further by giving feedback. Make it more casual and fun, like my previous ad posts. After just a few iterations, ChatGPT starts matching your style, tone, and goals automatically, saving you time and making every output feel like it's coming from you. The best part, you're not just using AI, you're building a digital assistant that works the way you do. So, there you have it, your complete step-by-step guide to ChatGPT. From studying smarter to building income streams, the possibilities are absolutely endless. Remember, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to amplify everything we do. And the sooner you master it, the sooner you stay ahead of the game. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to create or automate with ChatGPT? I'd love to hear. And hey, don't stop here. Check out our other videos from the Basic AI course series on this channel, where we explore practical ways to use AI to boost your productivity, creativity, and income. Dive in, experiment, and start turning AI into your superpower today. Final note to write down. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a multiplier for your time and ideas.